Hey friends, if you wish to fix corrupted fonts on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restore the default font settings, and this will fix the problem in 90% of the cases. Search for the word font. Click on this option here, Fonts Control Panel. Click on Font Settings. Click on Restore Default Font Settings, okay? And then reboot your system. The next one is an SFC scan, because if the font files are corrupted, then eventually they are system files. So how do we repair system files? We will repair them using the SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Okay. Click on open system restore. Choose a different restore point. Next. Choose a good restore point. Click on next once again. Finish and then click on yes and restore your system to an earlier date. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you better. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.